Hey everybody, Seth here at Pocket Yacht. And today I want to walk you through a brand new listing that we have here, 2021 Ranger Tugs R-41 Command Bridge. I'm going to show you the outside of the boat, then we're going to take a walk around on the inside, and I'm going to show you some of the great features that come with this boat that really set it apart from the rest. So let's take a look. Here is the outside of the boat. Walking by it, you can tell this thing has been immaculately maintained by the owner. Like I said, one owner originally purchased this from us, contacted us, wanted us to put it up for brokerage, so we did. So we're going to walk through the aft platform right here, really open area, allows you to kind of walk around, put the ropes up very easily. So here's how the boat typically sits at the dock. This has all the covers on everything, like I said, well maintained. So we pop those covers off, you can still see great seats, great condition. You have the tables right there that are really nice. And as you look around, you got the nice Volvo joystick in the back, which makes docking this thing an absolute easy task. Got a refrigerator in the back. Then we'll pop here on the inside. As you walk in, this is the guest berth. Nice open area, easy to get down to. And then another great feature on this is the head. You can use this as the guest head. If you have some people that come over, usually just use that one to pop in. Easy access from the aft platform there. So as we pop back up into the boat, give you a quick view here of the kitchen area. The dining table that flips in a couple different ways there, makes it nice and versatile. Your helm area, you got two seats right there behind the Garmin screen, and then another little table and lounge area. So once again, a little close up here on the kitchen. You have the refrigerator freezer combo, microwave on top of everything, and you have the oven right there. And then another great feature that I absolutely love, this opens up the table, and then you have your washer dryer combo right there. Little bit of storage right over top of it for some dryer sheets and some liquid detergent. Then you have another refrigerator freezer combo, which is really nice, and a little bit more storage here. Wine chiller right under the driver's seat. And then the driver passenger seat right there. Kind of zoom in, you got another joystick control. You got your split sticks. There's the hours for the engine right there. Then we pop down into the master berth. A lot of room here, easily accessible on both sides of it. You have a nice little sitting area. Leads right over to this master bathroom, which is awesome. You got a sink, you got the head separate from the shower. The shower has a big door that'll actually open and close there, and just a really nice view of the berthing up here. All right, walking around the outside, you can see all the covers stay on it. You have the dinghy and davit lift, then your seating area, steering area. Once again, always covered up by those nice canvas covers. Heading up top, this is how it usually sets, keeps the seats and everything out of the sun. You have, once again, the lift and the dinghy in the back. And here it is with all the covers off of it. You have the nice driver's area, so you have seating for two right there. All the controls that you would have down on the regular dash. Really nice and open. You can have a ton of people up here for a nice sunset cruise. It's really just an awesome area. Another thing, awesome options on this one. That's a Starlink Receiver, which is really nice to have. Reinforced anchor and a little bit oversized anchor on the front there. MC2 Quick Gyro, awesome upgrade for this boat. And then here we come back to the engine compartment. This thing is absolutely immaculate. As you look around, this does have the Volvo Penta D6 IPS 450. It's got two of those. And like I said, as you're looking around this, it's absolutely immaculate. Well maintained, nice and clean down there. Fireboy fire suppression system, which is a great add-on. Just a quick look at kind of the circuit breakers right here. Everything's very well labeled, easily laid out, very easy to access. Westerbeke Generator on the back. This thing is absolutely loaded, guys. If you have any other additional questions, you want to schedule an appointment to come see it, please let us know. We'll be happy to show it to you. Thanks, guys.